Hello, good day everyone. So this video lesson is all about the slope and equation of a tangent line. So what is this slope of a tangent line? So the slope of the tangent line represents how fast the function is changing at a given point. Okay. It also represents the instantaneous rate of change of the function and the derivative of the function at that point. Okay, so magagamit natin dito yung derivative of a function. So here are the steps, okay, steps in finding the slope of the tangent line. So first, we have to differentiate the given function. Pag sinabi nating differentiate, we are going to get its derivative. Okay, so we're going to find, the first step is we're going to find the derivative of the given function. The second step is we have to substitute the given x value into the derivative. Okay, so kung may given x value tayo, isa-substitute lang natin yun doon sa nakuha nating derivative. Okay, then the last one, so yun na, yung the result is the slope of the tangent line. Okay, so yung slope natin, it is denoted by, okay, so our slope is denoted by the small letter m. Okay, small letter m. Ayan. So, in here, ayan, example number 1 natin. So, find the slope of the tangent line to f of x is equal to x squared at x is equal to 3. Okay? So, in here, so, first step natin, okay, kunin natin yung derivative ng ating function, which is yung f of x is equal to x squared. So, the f prime of x of this one is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 or simply 2x. Okay, so ito na yung derivative natin. After, okay, to get the slope, we have to substitute the given x doon sa ating x dito. So, f prime of 3 is equal to 2 times 3. So, our slope, so palitan natin siya, yung slope natin, or ganito, f prime of 3 is equal to 6 or m is equal to 6. So this is our slope for this function. Next, we have this one. So find the slope of the tangent line to f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x at x is equal to negative 1. So same procedure. Let's first get the derivative of the following function. So f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x. Okay, so f prime of x is equal to 3x. So 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, then we have f prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2. Okay, then second step, to get the slope, we have to substitute the given x sa ating variable dito. So f prime of negative 1 is equal to 3 times negative 1 squared minus 2. So f prime of negative 1 is equal to 3 times negative 1 squared is 1 minus 2. So f prime of negative 1 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. So our slope here is 1. Okay? Next, so find the slope of the tangent line to f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 at x is equal to 2. Okay? So, again, ganun lang. So, first step, find the derivative of the given function. So, yung function natin, f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So, f prime of x is equal to 3 times, ibaba natin yung exponent, 2x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay? In a step by step natin. So, minus 4 and then 0 na siya. Okay? Or plus 0. So, ilagay lang natin. So, f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 4. Okay? So, to find the slope na, last step, so, um, f prime of, you substitute the given x. So, we have 2 is equal to 6 times 2 minus 4. So, f prime of 2 is equal to 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4 is 8. So, our slope here is 8. Okay, so the slope of this slope of the tangent line to this function is at 8. Next is the equation of a tangent line. So, connected lang to dun sa slope kanina. So, the equation of the tangent line is found using the point slope form. So, ito yung point slope form natin. So, same lang naman sila. Y minus f of a is equal to f prime of a times x minus a. Okay? So, same lang siya. Yung y dyan, o yan, same. Yung f of a, that is also our y sub 1. Okay? Tas yun nga, derivative ito. So, di ba, it is also equal to m, which denotes the slope. And then, x minus a. Okay? So, ito siya. Okay? So, yung x sub 1 dyan, tsaka yung y sub 1, yan yung x and y coordinates natin. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, for you to fully understand, so kahit ito na yung tandaan ninyo para mas madali siyang matandaan. Okay? So, to fully understand, let's have an example. Okay. So, by the way, ito pala yung step natin or steps in finding the equation of the tangent line. So, una, differentiate the function. Okay. So, we are going to get the parang ganun lang sa slope. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, connected lang siya. We're going to get the derivative. Tapos, substitute. Okay, x. Substitute natin yung given x natin to find the slope. Ayan. So, derivative is slope. And then, ayan, substitute x is equal to a into f of x to find, or ito to find y. Kapag hindi given yung y, then hahanapin natin yung y. Tapos yung point slope formula na. Okay, point slope formula. Pero pag given na yung y, kasi meron yung times na given yung y, syempre ito lang yung gagawin natin. Tatlong step lang. Okay, so tandaan lang yan. So let's have example number 1. Find the equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to x squared at x is equal to 3. So, first step to find the equation, ayan, first step is kunin muna natin yung derivative. So, f of x is equal to x squared. So, the derivative of that is 2x. Okay, binaba natin yung exponent tapos minus 1. So, kaya naging 2x. Then, after that, get the slope. So, isa-substitute natin yung given x doon sa lahat ng x dito. So, f prime of 3 is equal to 2 times 3. So, our slope here is 6. Okay? Then, after that, to get the y coordinate, kasi ang given lang natin nga ay x, kailangan natin ng y. Dahil doon sa formula, meron tayong y, right? So, to find the y, use the original function and substitute the given x pa rin. So, wag malilito. Ang gagamitin dito yung original function. So, f of x is equal to x squared. So, f of 3 is equal to 3 squared. So, our y is 9. Okay? Then, last step, yun na. Yung ating point slope formula. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, minus y sub 1 natin is yung y na nakuha natin. So, 9 is equal to yung m natin which is 6 times x minus, yung x natin dito ay 3. Then, simplify. Y minus 9 is equal to distributive property. So, 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Tapos dito, tandaan ninyo dapat matitira lang since y yung hinahanap natin, yung y dito. So, ililipat nyo yung 9 doon. So, magiging y is equal to 6x minus 18. Pag nilipat yung negative 9, magiging positive 9. So, y is equal to 6x minus 9. So, this will be our final answer. The equation of the tangent line to this function is equal to, or ito siya, y is equal to 6x minus 9. Okay? So, ganun lang yung step natin. Connected siya sa paghanap ng slope or kung hanapin mo yung slope. Okay, next. So, find the equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x at x is equal to negative 1. So, again, find the derivative first. So, f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x. Okay, so f prime of x is equal to 3x squared. Okay, minus 2. Then, after that, we have to find for the slope. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung given x value dito. So, f prime of negative 1 is equal to 3 times negative 1 squared minus 2. So our slope here, or f prime of negative 1, is equal to 3 times negative 1 squared is 1 minus 2. So yung slope natin dito ay 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay? Next, we have to find for y. So kukunin natin yung original na function, which is f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x. Tapos isa-substitute lang din natin ulit yung given x natin. So f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 cube minus 2 times negative 1. So f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. So our y here would be, final natin, negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. So y is positive 1. So meron na tayong m, meron na tayong y, meron na tayong x dito. So final step, yung ating point slope form, which is, ayan siya. So y minus, yung y natin is 1, is equal to yung slope natin ay 1 din. And then x minus, or minus negative 1. Okay? So y minus 1 is equal to 1 times x is x, 1, then ito pala magiging positive siya. So 1 times positive 1 is 1. So y is equal to x plus 1, then ililipat natin siya doon, kaya magiging plus 1. So y is equal to x plus 2. So this will be our equation for this function. Okay? So y is equal to x plus 2. Next, okay, so find the equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 at x is equal to 2. So derivative, let's find the derivative of this one. So f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So f prime of x is equal to 3 times 2 x, okay, minus 4. So f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 4. Then let's find the slope by substituting the given value of x to all the variable here. So f prime of 2 is equal to 6 times 2 minus 4. So f prime of 2 is equal to 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4 is 8. So our slope is 8. And then, to find y, we have to substitute. Find y, we have to get the original function. So f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Substitute lang natin ulit yung x. So f of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1. So f of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 squared 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 plus 1. So f of 2 is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So our y is 5. So meron na tayong m, meron na tayong y, meron na tayong x. So let's do the final step. So y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So y minus, yung y natin 5, is equal to yung slope natin ay 8 times x minus 2. Simplify, y minus 5 is equal to, distribute, so 8 times x is 8x, 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. Tapos, dapat y lang yung matitira. So, y is equal to 8x minus 16 plus 5. So, this will be y is equal to 8x minus 11. So, this will be our final answer. So, therefore, the equation of the tangent line to this function at x is equal to 2 is y is equal to 8x minus 11. Okay? Next, example number 4. So find the equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 at negative 1 and 1. So as you can see here, dalawang point yung ating given. So, coordinate ito, so x and y. So, same procedure lang. Pero dito, ngayon, meron na tayong given y. So, 3 steps lang yung ating gagawin to get the equation or to find the equation of the tangent line to this function. So, first, find the derivative. So, f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So, f prime of x is equal to 3 times 2x minus 4. So, we have f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 4. Next, find the slope. So, yung x lang yung gagamitin natin ha dito. Wag pagbabaliktaran. Basta yung nauna, yung domain, yung x natin, yung range, yung y. Okay? So, ang gagamitin lang natin ay yung x. So, f prime of negative 1 is equal to 6 times negative 1 minus 4. Okay? So, f prime of negative 1 is equal to 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 minus 4. So, f prime of negative 1 is equal to negative 10. So, yung slope natin dito ay negative 10. Okay? Next, last step. So, last step na kasi nga may y na tayo. So, no need to find for y. Nandyan na siya. Given na siya. Yung 1. So, proceed na agad tayo sa equation natin. Okay? So, y minus yung y natin dyan, again, is 1. Ayan siya. Is equal to, yung m natin is negative 10 times x minus negative 1. So, ito magiging y minus 1 is equal to negative 10 x, tapos negative times negative is positive 1. So, y minus 1 is equal to negative 10 times x, distributive property. So, negative 10x, negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. Okay, wait lang. Negative 10. Okay, then, y is equal to, ilipat natin doon sa kabila, negative 10x minus 10 plus 1. So, y is equal to negative 10x minus 9. So, this will be our equation, okay, of the tangent line to that particular function. Okay, so y is equal to negative 10x minus 9. Next, okay, so find the equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to negative 3 plus 2x minus 2x squared at 3 and 15. So, again, dito, may given na tayo x tsaka y. Okay? So, as you can see, hindi siya naka-arrange into standard form. So, let's arrange first. Okay? Pag sinabing standard form, dapat nauuna yung mas mataas or pinakamataas na degree or exponent. So, f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay? So, first step, kunin yung derivative. So, f prime of x is equal to negative 2 times 2x plus 2. So, f prime of x is equal to negative 4x plus 2. Then, second step, find the slope. So, kukunin natin yung x dyan given, isa-substitute natin. So, f prime of 3 is equal to negative 4 times 3 plus 2. So, f prime of 3 is equal to negative 12 plus 2. That is equal to negative 10. Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. So, yan na yung slope natin. Okay? So, meron na tayong m, meron na tayong x and y. So, proceed tayo doon sa last step, yung mismong equation. So, ito yung ating point slope form. Substitute lang natin, y minus, ano yung y natin dyan? 15. Ito siya, 15. Okay? Is equal to negative 10 times x minus 3. Yun yung x natin, yung 3. Okay, next. Y minus 15 is equal to distributive property. Negative 10 times x is negative 10x. Negative 10 times negative 3 is positive 30. So, we have y is equal to negative 10x plus 30, then ililipat natin siya doon, kaya magiging plus 15. So, y is equal to negative 10x plus 45. So, this will be our final answer. This will be our equation of the tangent line to f of x is equal to negative 3 plus 2x minus 2x squared at 3 and 15. So, that's it for this video lesson. Hope naintindihan. Okay? So, thank you for watching.